Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at CYNC Smart LED light bulbs. These are color changing light, and what I have here is the pack of two. These are LED A19 and they're also dimmable with the app. Now let me show you the box first. Here it says full color direct connect smart bulb, simple setup without a hub, so you can use it with your app or you can also connect it with the Google or Amazon Alexa. Here it says millions of colors, tunable white light, voice and out of home control. The brightness is 800 lumens and this uses $14 per year per bulb. And here is the back side. And here is the final side, 800 lumens, based on 3 hours a day, 13.7 years life expectancy, energy used 9.5 watts. Now let's open the box and see what comes inside, and then we will set it up and I'll show you how it looks. So here we go. Very nicely packaged. Let's see if there's anything on this side. Nope, nothing. Let's see if we can just pull them out. All right, so I got one out. Let's pull the other one as well. And let's see what kind of packaging it says. Direct Connect Smart Lights, 3 ways to get started. So there's 3 different ways. And let's check each way. It says simple setup using the CYNC app. And here is if you want to connect it with the Amazon Alexa. And the third one if you want to connect it to Google Home app. All right, I'm back. I have the light bulb into my lamp. So what I did was I went with the second step. I felt like it was much easier than the first one. The first one, you have to download the app, create an account, and so on and so on. But since I have Echo Dot, I went with the second step and it seemed much easier. So let me show you how this works. Once you have it connected, Alexa will give it a name. So the way to do this, make sure you screw in the light bulb, give it a power, make sure it's on, and then if the Alexa doesn't discover it right away, you're gonna say, Alexa, discover my light. Alexa, can you dim the light? Alexa, can you dim the light more? Alexa, can you increase the light to the max? Now let's say you have it in a boy's bedroom. Alexa, change the light to blue. It can be blue. Now if it's girl's room, Alexa, switch the color to pink. And just like that, very nice. And I would definitely recommend these, especially if you never had smart bulbs, especially full color smart bulbs. Thank you guys for watching.